Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of The Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Today we're unboxing the TalkPod A36 UHF VHF dual band radio. We're looking at the green model today. This thing has a 1.8 large color display, Bluetooth enabled features. Let's open this up and see what we got. Inside you'll see we have the owner's manual right here, multi-band portable, the instruction manual. Make sure you read the instruction manual of this. I know a lot of times we throw it on the side, but make sure you definitely read the instruction manual for this so you'll know how to work this baby if you don't already. Right here we got the 2-pin connector. Use this on the side to where you want to update your device with any of the latest updates, and you can do other different things when you hook it up and go online. Put that on the side. Next thing we got is right here. We've got the USB Type-C charging cable. You use that to charge it, and here's the battery. Also, this battery can be charged on the base, or it has a USB connector underneath, so you can charge the battery separate from the base. I like that. Also right here, here's the main charging device right here. Rapid charge at that by TalkPod. Very fast charging. And let's get out the main device right here. Like I say, that's your brick that goes with the Type-C, and there's your belt clip right there. Here's your antenna right here, nice sturdy antenna, your standard antenna. This antenna is a dual SMA antenna that gets UHF or VHF. We have the green model today. We're gonna get this out. As you can see, I got a couple in black, but I like the green one. Well, that way, if you drop it or anything, you can find it real easily. Here's the green model right here, as you can see. On the side here, you see you got your PTT, your microphone, and your LED right here, speaker right there. On the top, there's the power and the volume button right here. On the other side, you have your side buttons. Your belt clip goes onto your battery right there. And these are all the items that come inside this bad boy. The battery slips on real easily. It has 2 clips at the top. You can push it in when putting it in, or you can just push the clips down and it go right in. That's how you take it off too. Just push the 2 clips down and it pops right out. And put your antenna on there. That's how you put the antenna on there. Get it set up real nice. And then you got your clip there. You just open the clip up. You can either put the clip on there with the battery on there, which is a little more difficult, or you can just put the clip on with the battery separate, and then just put the clip and the battery into the back. Either way you want to do it. And of course you have a carrying strap if you want to put the carrying strap on there and wrap around your wrist, whatever you prefer. Has 2 notches in the base, so you can just fit it nice and snug. Just make sure you push it all the way in the back area of it, and just sits right down just like that, nice and snug. And make sure. Okay, you guys, let's go over all the buttons on here. Right here at the top, you see we have a headphone jack, and we have the microphone. And as you can see, you can use the headphone jack for external headphones, or you can use the programming cable to program the device to get updates. On the other side, you see we have the side key 2 and side key 3. That's the little ones. And up top, you have the PTT, the push to talk button. Pressing this button puts the in 2-way radio transmit mode. Also, next up, the button at the top left corner with the 4 green lines, that's the menu key button. Short press to hit the menu, standby mode, long press, switch frequencies. So that's your main menu button right there. You also see right there at the right next to that is your up and down buttons. You use that to maneuver around the menu or change your frequencies. And you see right there on the next, right to the right, that button with the red arrow, that's your back key. You use that to go back in the menu. Also, right under that, you'll see a AB, a little white button right there with the AB on it. That's used for short press. You switch between your main frequency or your main channel. You can also short press that to get it to FM scanning mode. Right down the bottom right corner, you see your FM button with the little lock. You can enter FM radio mode if you long press that. You can also exit FM radio mode right through there. Lastly but not least, you got all your number keys right in the middle of the screen, 0 through 9, so you can input all your frequencies, all your functions right inside that menu. You see that we have the power and volume button there. Right along there, you also have the keypad you use for entering all your keys, manually. You have the up and down selection arrow right there, adjust the frequencies. On screen, you have the status indicator. The red light illuminates during the transmission, and the green light illuminates when the signal is received. You also, right here, you have the SOS button. You long press to initiate a SOS distress signal, or you short press to customize other functions right there. And make sure, you guys, when you get these, definitely get 2 of these. The green model, they have black. They also have crystal. Any type you want, the link, definitely will be in the description. If you're like me and you love ham and amateur radio, make sure you definitely pick this up, the TalkPod A36 GMS UHF VHF radio. As always, I will have a link in the description below. Make sure you pick it up. They got different colors. I've got that green one. Also, you can get a black one, whatever you choose. Just check out the link below and get yours today. Make sure you get 2 because you don't want to talk to yourself. Let's go.